Hey guys, I'm on my deck getting some sunlight, and I just thought of um, if you want to get with me in terms of understand me or talk to me, communicate with me, understand me, accept me, have a relationship with me, or just get to know me, you have to understand the laws of physics, okay? You have to understand the fifth dimension, the fourth dimension, the third dimension, because I resonate and I live on the fifth dimension. As a shaman, I go lower and I go higher to the fifth, to the 13th, and even more. But I resonate with 13 dimensions, but I physically live on the fifth. I was born on the fifth dimension, and I constantly was lowering my frequencies to get to the third so that I can actually bond with and have relationships with people in that reality since I was young. And then because of the amount of abuse and things, even with my family, I had to take on as a natural healer. I was born on the fifth dimension, and that's why trying to hurt me emotionally, verbally, in any way possible never works out and it never succeeds, because in the long run, and I stay healthy and I stay happy, because so many people wonder why I'm such a happy person. In the worst case scenarios, I still remain with a smile on my face. Doesn't mean I'm not hurting inside or I'm not feeling inside. It just means that I have my frequencies, my mind frame is resonates with those dimensions on that frequency level. That's why people cursing me, people condemning me or my family, it doesn't succeed and it never works out. Okay? So, like I said, study physics. To any way to get to know me, you're gonna have to study physics. That's why electromagnetic fields, physics, you're gonna have to study that to really get to know how I work, how my successes work, how I manifest things, things of that nature. Okay. This is not no bullshit thing. This is real. This is my reality. This is my truth. Nobody can tell me what I'm saying is BS. Nobody can tell me what I'm saying is wrong. Nobody can tell me what I'm saying is incorrect or false, because this is my truth. You are not me. You don't have my life. You don't have my reality. This is my reality. This is what I'm born with. This is what I'm here to live with. This is what I have to deal with. And now I've come to that inner power that I'm going to constantly expose this and share this and confront this, because there are people like me out there, or I can help people out there who want to get to know me and understand my life. And as younger children come forth into this world, they are slowly resonating on my frequencies, and they need some form of support because they're not getting support from their families or any solid foundation or any organization. There are spiritual communities known as the New Age community that talks about the indigo kids and the indigo child. I don't resonate with it. It's not on my vibration. The closest I resonate with in terms of a New Age term would be a crystal child, and we are highly powerful, highly sensitive, highly empathic people, and we are also creators. We are co-creators, and we resonate on fifth dimensional frequencies. Okay, so I'm here to create a revolution, an evolution, and to support the environment and people that need that support, spiritual guidance in any way, shape, or form. Okay, the animals are dying. People's powers, people's true identities have been dissolved and ripped away from them. And so the more we expose, the more we talk, the more we support, the more we express, the more I do this, talk about my truth, the more I'm able to help and support anybody who needs that consciousness, okay, that awareness. Because everything that you've learned up to this point is actually falseness in terms of you learning from a government. The only way you're going to learn about yourself is if you actually take the time, the years, the dedication, the self-sacrifice, the effort and energies to really get to know who you are, to really do thorough research, to internally go through struggles and obstacles and pains to find out who you are, okay? And it's not going to be easy. It never is easy. It never will be easy. Like I said, do not be um, confused with my appearance because I appear as this bubbly, sparkly, shining star who's always smiling, and that I have an easy life where things are handed to me. That's beyond the truth. It's not the truth. I have to work for everything. I work extremely hard, and I'm not going to sit here and say I work harder than most people do, but a lot of times, people condemn themselves, people curse themselves. And when you curse others and you condemn others, you're actually pointing the finger at yourself, because those other people will eventually succeed and move on. And you are still there condemning and cursing, and that returns to you and that comes back to you, okay? You're human. You're living on planet Earth. You make mistakes. That's fine. We all make mistakes. That's fine. We all curse here and there. We all condemn here and there. But if it's on a regular basis, that's not healthy for you, okay? Your body's going to deteriorate, your mind is going to deteriorate, and that's not healthy. And again, I'm not here to tell you what to believe in and how to act and who to be and what to live and who to whatever, but support, okay? Supporting you. And in return, I'm supporting me by speaking, by confirming, by speaking my truth, by being who I am. Because I believe in love, I believe in self-love, I believe in unconditional universal love. And if you don't believe in it, that's great. But my purpose is to be love, because I'm containing things together, okay? The more I speak of love, the more I breathe in love. I'm out in the sun, okay? I'm activating my chi, I'm activating and resurfacing and rehealing my prana, my energy body, my physical body, okay? We need to do that. So get out in nature. Breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale constantly. Feel that fullness within your heart. Please go watch my soulmate spirit message video. You know, the biggest true love of your life, the biggest soulmate of your life is you, yourself. And in order to attract your soulmate, you have numerous amounts of soulmates, and each soulmate that comes to you is a part of your soul, is a part of who you are, of which you need to learn, embrace, utilize, unite with, in order to be who you are supposed to be. People get married at a young age, and then 20 years later, 15 years later, they find their ultimate true love. So that doesn't mean you're meant to be with one person your whole life, okay? You need to find out who you are, and you end up attracting certain people your way to journey you, to take you to the path of who you really are, okay? So a lot of times, yeah, in this path, you're meant to do it alone. But if people are dragging you down and you're attracting people who are dragging you down when you're meant to do what you're meant to do and be on this journey, then you shouldn't be with anybody until you find yourself to that point where you're ready to unite with someone who you're able to learn from and who you're able to teach as well, because it's a give and take. So always remember, if you're going to be in a soulmate relationship or any relationship at all, please come from that fullness, okay? You want to feel full in your heart, because what you give out, what you send out, it returns to you. So if you're sending out lack of, you're going to be receiving a lack of, okay? So it's not about trying, it's about doing. And trying is, okay, yeah, we're going to make mistakes. That's normal, that's fine. But do remember, you're human. You're also a very powerful being. You are a god and you are a goddess within. We have vortexes, and our chakras are able to literally manifest a person, a people, a group, a manifestation of something, a dream that becomes a reality into our life when we truly understand, accept, unite with what is in our bodies, okay?